Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study microbiology. To begin, divide your 15 days into 3 distinct 5-day blocks, ensuring a structured approach to your learning. Aim for 2 to 3 hours of focused study each day to maximize retention and understanding. Prioritize high-yield topics, such as bacterial classification and viral replication, as these often form the core of microbiology. Remember to utilize active recall methods to truly reinforce your grasp of the concepts. For your initial 5 days, concentrate on foundational concepts and the basic structures of microbes. This includes a deep dive into bacterial genetics, their metabolic pathways, and understanding various growth curves. Next, explore the major viral families, learning their intricate life cycles and how they cause disease. Finally, review the classifications of fungi and parasites, paying close attention to the most common and clinically significant pathogens you'll encounter. To study effectively, create detailed concept maps that visually connect different microorganisms and their characteristics. Utilize flashcards extensively for memorizing key terms, important drugs, and various diagnostic tests. Practice drawing microbial structures and their complex replication cycles repeatedly to solidify your understanding. Consider forming a small study group. Discussing challenging topics and quizzing each other can significantly enhance your learning and retention. During your final 5 days, dedicate your time to a comprehensive review of all the material you've covered. Actively work through practice questions and case studies to apply your knowledge in practical scenarios. This will help you identify any weak areas, allowing you to dedicate extra time to master those specific topics. Remember, getting adequate rest and maintaining a balanced diet are crucial for optimal brain function and effective learning during this intensive period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.